Namaste, I am Deepa. Welcome back to my channel. Firstly, wishing all my viewers happy Nag Panchami. Today, I am back with an authentic South Indian Nag Panchami special recipe, TilLaddoo. It is commonly called as Chimily. Come, let's start. The required ingredients are black til 100 grams, white til 100 grams and jaggery 100 grams. Firstly, heat a kadai on a low flame and dry roast both white sesame seeds and black sesame seeds separately until they pop and slightly changes their color. Cool them for a couple of minutes in a separate plate. In a blender, add both sesame seeds and make fine powder. Now add organic jaggery powder also. Everything combines well in a minute. Transfer into a plate and let it cool for a couple of minutes. Grease your hands with oil or ghee and it's time to make lemon-sized balls as shown in the video. Tasty and delicious laddoos are ready. Too tempting. These laddoos are extremely popular in southern India during Nag Panchami. I have also demonstrated how to make tambittu and have shared the link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch all my videos and share these recipes to next generation. Each one teach one.